So you guys, Nadula sent me some more hair. You know I love working with this company. This is one of my top 5. So they sent me a wig cap, a headband, I don't know what this is. Like it's like a little coin purse or something, or maybe you could put all your little hair accessories in there, and then a mirror that I actually put in my purse because it was cute and it was rose gold, and I'm here for it. You feel me? An edge brush, a hair clip, and a detangler brush, which I love. Like I've never used a brush like that, and it was so bomb at detangling my hair. So this is the wig straight out the pack. It is straight hair, and it comes with highlights. And this is one of those wigs that you could just pull out and go. But like me, I like to wash my hair, so I did end up washing the hair before I actually started working on it. So I did add an elastic band to this. This is the cap construction. It is a fake scalp wig. This is a 4x4 closure and a stock cap, and it has 4 combs and adjustable straps. I don't typically use the combs. That's the reason why I added the elastic band to this wig. So basically all I'm going to do is go in and straighten this wig with you guys. This is my favorite flat iron. This is a nano titanium flat iron. I will definitely leave this down below in the description box for you. It comes in I think 3 colors, white, black, and blue. I did order one from Amazon, and I have one that I purchased from Sally's. I will leave those links down below for you guys if you're interested in that. This is the flat iron that I use all the time to silk out my wigs, okay? And I'm just going to go through and flat iron this, and then from there I am going to install it and tell you my thoughts about this wig. So just continue to watch. I will leave everything that I use down below in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, continue to comment in the comment section, and I will be down there to answer them. All right. So welcome back to my channel, you guys. So this is the wig that I was showing you guys me take out the package and straighten her. She is very, very, very soft. She is like a champagne or beige blonde highlight with brown hair. I would say the density of this wig might be about 150, between 150 and 180. Now, because this is a fake scalp wig, you are not able to pluck the hairline or bleach the hairline. You have to wear it as is. I recently tried to pluck a hairline like this and it did not work out well, so I would not suggest that for you guys. Application is super easy. I would say this is like a dupe to one of the wigs that I recently made. I will have a picture right here to show you the wig that I made, and this would be definitely a dupe, especially if you do not want to, you know, bleach and dye your hair. If you're not comfortable with that, this would definitely be the wig for you if you don't want to do that. Now, this is a closure unit, and because this is, I think this is what they call a pew wig. I showed you guys one similar to this before. It's only a middle part wig, you guys. So like if you was to go into the actual closure, there will be tracks in there. So it's not a full closure. You only get about an inch of parting space, which is kind of odd to me, but it is what it is. This is the wig. I think this is about 24 or 26 inches. She's pretty long, and she's pretty long on me. I did put her on before, and I'm gonna put her on with you guys and cut off the lace and just show you guys what she looks like. But yeah, this is her. She's very full and very soft. I'm not sure if they have this in a frontal or a closure without this type of closure. It is a shortage on hair right now, you guys. So I think this is why a lot of companies are coming out with these kind of closures, because they're easier to make and they can supply them faster. So we are going through a hair drought, if you didn't know that. So yeah. But this is pretty nice, and I actually started liking this color on me. It looks really, really good. So I am gonna apply this wig with you guys, and we're gonna finish up this video, okay? So I did not know, I don't remember if I showed you guys that I did add an elastic band into this wig just for security and so that I wouldn't have to add a glue onto this. And this is with the silk base or the pew wig inside. Looks like it's just a light piece of cloth. If you wanted to tint this, you would use Rit dye or a cellophane bottle like Adore, or Kiss Tintations. Get something that's close to your skin tone and you could just dip that in there, but be careful that you don't want to color the highlight or hair. I would suggest you put it in a spray bottle and you could tint it that way. But I would definitely be careful and make sure that you pick out the right color, because I feel like once this material is stained, it's going to be stained. So, but if you wanted to, you could definitely use Rit dye or cellophane hair color to stain this, or you can always just, you know, use your makeup. So I am just gonna go ahead and put this wig on. I put my wigs on, I'll take my elastic band and I'll put it around my nape first. So it's like that, and it's behind my head, and then I take the back of the wig and I place it to the back, clip the hair back and adjust. So I usually don't like combs, so I'm gonna just push the combs inside. I usually just cut them off, but this elastic band is definitely gonna keep my wig in place so I won't have any issues. And then I'm gonna get the lace. Right there. I'm gonna take this little brush that came with the hair. I think it came with this hair. And I'm gonna just brush this. Oh, I like this hair color on me, especially when my makeup is beat. The hair is so silky and sleek. Y'all, I am not dressed, so I'm in my bleaching clothes. So you're gonna see me in my bleaching clothes. But that's just how long she is on me. Let me move my chair out the way. She's very flowy. I would definitely love this in bundles so I can make my own wig with the actual frontal or a larger closure. But this is nice. I would say the highlights are not bad, because usually the highlights be super choppy. These are not that bad, okay? Like, I can rock this without putting roots on it. Sometimes the highlight starts super low and it just gives off a bad look, but these highlights are actually really decent, so I don't mind them, and I would not add roots to this at all. So you can glue this wig down if you want to, and I'm not, but I am going to cut the lace off with you guys. So I am going to cut off each seam. Wherever you see the seams are, I'm gonna cut that off, and that just helps your closure lay down flatter, and it'll help it look like a frontal, like if you was doing baby hairs and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do baby hairs. I'm gonna just keep it regular, and I'm gonna cut off the seams. Seam 1. Seam 2, just this. Alright, just that, and then we're just gonna do a little zigzag with the scissors, because it's not that deep. You don't have that much room to work with to create your own hairline. So we're gonna cut down the middle. I'm gonna take one side, kind of cut into the hairline a little bit, and then boom, it's out. So I did cut some hair off because I cut into the hairline just to make it look a little bit natural, and make the actual hairline a little zigzaggy, jagged. And I'm gonna do the same. Ugh, this hair is so soft. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. There you go. Cut that off, some of the hair. And if you're not comfortable with cutting zigzags with regular scissors, I do have some picking shears. I will link some of these down below in the description box for you. You can order these off of Amazon. These are just as great, okay? And I would definitely go down the middle with some concealer. Or I don't typically like concealer, I like powder. I will go down the middle with some powder just to help turn it into a little lighter version of my skin tone, because this is a little bit too light for me. But other than that, this wig is ready to go, basically straight out the box. If you are the type of girl to wear your wig straight out the box, then this wig is for you. If you are a girl like me that likes to wash her wigs first and then straighten her, then you know, you do that as well. But I like to wash my hair because you don't know where the hair came from. You want to make sure that everything is off of it, and I just like my hair to smell good, and I like the products that I use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment area, and I'll be down there to answer them. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description box for you guys. The shears, everything that I use, the picking, everything. I will leave the details to this wig down below in the description box as well. And until next time, bye best friends.